Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the second part of this chapter, that is the construction. So let us see now how to construct a 60-degree angle. So now look at here. This is already I have constructed, but I will show you step by step how did I do it. So now see, first thing we are going to draw an arc, that is the BC. This is the first step. Whenever we write here this one, that means it is an arc. We have seen in the previous video. Arc means there is only one arrow at this side, and this is the fixed one. So we will take a point over here and draw an arc, that is the BC. Now step 2, what is that? With point B, this will take as the center, and draw an arc of any convenient radius. It can be like it's not this one. You can take any radius of it and cutting the BC at point P. So you will take from here, and you know this. So you will take a point over here, and you will draw an arc of any radius, and you will cut it, and you can name this as anything. I just name this as P. Here this will be the P. Now see here for the step 3, with point P as center, then you will take this as center, and what will you do? Draw an arc of the same radius. Whatever you took, suppose the radius from here to draw an arc, with the same one, you are not going to change it. From here, you will start from this point P. So whatever you have done in the step 2, with the same radius you will tuck, and what you will do, see here, with point P as center, draw an arc of the same radius as in step 2, cutting the drawn arc at. So from here, you will take it, and you are going to cut this one. See here, again I repeat, from here you will take the convenient radius, you will draw an arc, then you will take the point, you are not going to change the distance, and we will take from here, and with the help of the compass. You know that compass, one has a pencil point and other is a normal point. So what does this say? Then you are going to cut it at this one and join points B and Q to make BQ. So can you see here? B and Q. This one and this one, and then this is you will write here Q. You're going to join it. So after drawing here, you know there is the point over here, and that point is going to be Q. So here, what does this say? That angle, whatever you measure after that should be 60 degree. And we can take a protractor and you can measure and see. So this angle, whatever you get this angle, this is going to be 60 degree. So write the steps and then draw it. So now we'll see for the construction of a 90-degree angle. So this already I have drawn it, and I'll show you step by step how did I do it. So now again for this one, first you will take a point over here, and you will draw a ray BC. So you're going to draw a ray that is not the any radius. You can take it and draw a line that is the ray BC. Then what will you do with the step 2? With point B, this point you are going to take as with point B as center. This you will take and draw an arc of convenient radius. Same what you did for that one. You can draw this arc, and this you are going to mark this as this point. Whatever you get, this you are going to mark it as P. So in the step 3, what are you going to do again? With point P, this again you are going to take point P, this as center. See, points we have said, draw a second arc of same radius, whatever the distance you took for this one. So the same you are going to take it, and you are going to cut it at here, Q. Here you are going to cut it at Q. Here what did you do? You cut it at this here, isn't it? Here you are going to cut at this point with the same radius. Whatever you took here, the same radius you are going to do it here. And you can name it anything. I just name it as Q. So now the step forward is with Q as center. Again you are going to take this as center, and again you are going to draw another arc of same radius as in step 2. So again, you are not going to change the whatever you took from here to here, the distance. See, from here you took the same distance. Again, from here to here you took the same distance. Again, from here to here you are going to take the same distance, and you are going to cut it over here. So, and this you are going to mark this point as whatever you get it after cutting this, because this you have extended. So there is one point over here that you have written as R. So now what did they say? The step 5, with points Q and R as center and radius more than half the length QR. So now see here, this is the length. So what are you going to do? You are going to take the P and Q as this one. See here, with points Q and R as center. Where is Q? Q is here and the R is here. So you will take, this will be somewhere will be half, but you are going to take from here, you will start, suppose you take here, you are going to take more than half. More than half is important. More than half. See, half is here, but you will take more than half. The distance from Q, you will take more than half with the same of the compass. And what are you going to do? Draw two arcs cutting each other as S. So now, can you see here? From here, you have taken this one. So first one will be here. From here, it will go here. And then again, you will take from here and the same distance, and you are going to cut it over here. The first one, you are going to take the random distance from here. So from first arc, you will put a distance. You are going to cut it over. You took a point right here. So that you are going to cut it over here. So this is the one. So now what is that one says? S you cut it. So now you're going to join B and S to make the 6 point. What is there? You're going to join that B and S. B and this one, whenever after cutting you get this point. So you're going to join this point and this joint, and this will be the extended one. So whenever you measure this, after this you are going to measure this, and this is going to be 90 degree. So see here, they said angle SBC is 90 degree. So hope you have understood with this one. So we'll stop for this one, and please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts of this chapter and many more. Thank you.